Welcome to the ITD Invoice Report Access Training for the new Chargeback system. This is a self-paced training package which will show you how to access the reports available in the new system. Report access requirements. To view financial reports, a user ID and password are required. To obtain a user ID for the new Chargeback reports, contact Common Help to have a ticket opened. Common Help can be accessed using the web at Common Help Service Desk at massmail.state.ma.us. You may also phone 1-866-888-2808 and ask to open a ticket. To access reports, you must use Internet Explorer version 7 or 8. Client access to reports is through the mass.gov portal. From the mass.gov homepage, log on to http://newchargeback.itd.state.ma.us. A successful connection to the new Chargeback reports will return a reports login screen. From the blue bar, click Login. Enter your credentials provided by the Common Help Desk. Passwords and user IDs are case sensitive. Users may reset passwords by clicking on the Change Password box at Login. This will open a password change screen. The Change Password screen allows the user to enter a new password. If the user forgets the password or user ID, contact Common Help to have a ticket opened. Again, Common Help can be accessed online at Common Help Service Desk at massmail.state.ma.us or by phone at 1-866-888-2808. When the user has entered a valid user ID and password, login is confirmed with a welcome message. To run a report, click on the word Reports on the blue bar. From the drop-down, click Run Reports. A menu of available reports will appear. Some users may see only an empty space for the first time they log into the reporting system and click Reports. This indicates there is a compatibility issue within the browser settings. The user can correct this condition from the Internet Explorer address bar. To the right of the URL, there is a symbol which represents a broken page. Hover over the symbol to view the text compatibility view. Click the Compatibility View button to help improve the display of web pages that are designed for older browsers. Click on the symbol to allow proper viewing of the Reports menu. The topic in the Reports menu can be expanded to view individual report selections. Click on the plus sign to expand the menu. Click on the minus to close the category. Click on the title of the report to view this report. A reporting hierarchy unique to the Commonwealth has been determined. The reporting hierarchy allows the user to select data to be displayed and totaled at various levels. The lowest level of the hierarchy is customer account. Accounts roll up to Mars codes. Mars codes roll up to a secretariat. The highest level is a total for the Commonwealth. Each level of the hierarchy is abbreviated to create an account number string which can be interpreted for selection. The levels are separated by a period to make reading easier. When a report is selected from the menu bar, a parameter screen opens. This parameter screen allows the user to select the data to be displayed. Enter the account code level indicating the level of summarization desired. The user may select a range of accounts or a specific account. The user also specified the dates of the data to be viewed. Drop-down lists make the selection easier. Access to reports is restricted by individual user. Users can see only information about the user's organization or authorized organizations. Reports requested at higher levels will total only the allowed accounts. If a user requests a report at the Secretariat or MAS level, the report will show only the total of the allowed accounts. The ITD account structure has been designed to allow tracking of non-billable items as well as those included in the invoice. A second account structure starting with memo rather than MAS will be created for tracking non-billed items. An alternate account can hold resource unit cost data, which might be tracked for internal costing purposes and not included in current period tracking. The second account structure will allow the client to view resource consumption in detail, including drill down, for items which are not yet introduced as live billing. When a report is returned, a document map appears on the left of the screen. The document map can be used as a navigation aid, allowing the user to jump from page to page of a lengthy report to see the desired data. Like the Reports menu, click on the plus sign to expand and click on the words to jump to that data. Each report requested will display the date range at the upper left. For the invoice report, the user can take advantage of a drill down feature to view additional detail about the usage shown. Drill down is available for units only. Place your cursor over the units and a small hand will appear. Click on the hand. A parameter screen will appear to ask for the details the user wants to view. A maximum of 5 parameters or identifiers can be selected. Each resource unit has a unique set of identifiers. Use the arrow in the identifier box to display the list of available items. The detail returned is in units only. No dollars are displayed. If more than one identifier is selected, the data is nested in the order the identifiers are selected. Always use the Return button to exit a report. Do not use your browser's Back button. The Run Total Invoice report also begins with a parameter screen. This report does not drill down on units. Instead, it allows the user to view accounts within the reporting hierarchy. The Run Total Invoice includes a feature to expand each resource unit or rate code so that the accounts within the total are shown. For the resource unit non-prime CPU time, for example, charges are included for accounts MAS and MAS-X. Crosstab reports. Crosstab reports display usage or charges across months. The user controls the months displayed. The crosstab reports return data as a row for each resource unit or rate code and a column for each accounting period. The processing calendar for the Commonwealth of Massachusetts is set for the fiscal year of July through June. When selecting a date, keep in mind that the term period is used rather than month. Period 6 of the fiscal year is December. For the usage trend report, a full 12 months of data will always be displayed. Spreadsheet versions of the most common reports are also available. The output format is in a spreadsheet-friendly format with fewer merged cells to allow easier use by the client. From the menu bar, the user can export, refresh, or print the report selected. Click on the Download button to expose options for downloads. Files can be exported in Excel, PDF, or Word format. A file download box will appear to allow the user to save the file to the user's desktop or open the file on the screen. This concludes the Reports Access training for the new Chargeback system.